Hey guys, we're here at Graham's and we're bulldozing and overhauling one. Alright, let's go. Alright, we need a good angle here. So, let's see here.
See this? You see this? Okay, I'm gonna try again.
Alright.
No, it's not a good angle. Oh, here we go.
Can you see? Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Alright, now it's my turn.
You're gonna show that in slow motion.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, sit down. I gotta see this on the view too. And bam!
Oh wow! That's hard.
Tense up and try not to let
Now I'm gonna try not to fall back.
Yeah.
Alright.
I can never knock you out.
I just sort of stand.
I can only knock out if you're not trying.
Arm.
We got it.
Popped it.
Okay.
Alright, now what?
It's mine.
Oh. Do I hold or I run? Well, I'll walk.
Take it easy on me, you guys.
This is funny because like you can't stop Nate.
I'll just walk. But I put my fist out. Now I'll just. Okay. Now I'll.
Okay.
Well, that when he's walking, you can.
Okay. Go faster. It's like a train. No, go
I want
fast.
you to do it fast to me then.
Fast.
Too.
Okay.
Give it all. Give it all.
I slowed down because I didn't want to go too fast.
Oh, it's fine. Brandon, slam.
Okay.
It's your turn to slam into me.
Now you walk.
I want to slam into you, Brandon.
Did I knock you over at all when I was walking?
No.
Okay.
See, I can stop
because you keep
you.
leaning forward. The camera can see that, you know.
I know.
Now, speed walking.
Oh jeez.
Stop leaning.
I almost didn't fall over.
No
It's
more
like-
leaning. No more leaning.
Alright, now I'm in trouble.
No more leaning, Nate.
Oh jeez, going down to the
Absolutely
hallway.
sprint.
No.
Give it all.
I slowed down the end.
Okay. Brandon, I'm slamming into Brandon.
Okay.
Hold on. We need you to plow into me one more time, but we need to get a better shot of it.
I'll film it. I'll film it.
No. I want it sitting still.
Come on. I'll sit
I
on
just,
the couch.
D, I want it sitting still just so,
Hey, can I
because
turn
of the effect.
Fun, can I turn the camera?
What do you mean?
Like turn it to fall and. Okay.
Okay.
Come on, Nate.
Okay, Nate.
Scoot back. Scoot back.
Shipping kit that includes free boxes and
That was perfect. My turn. My turn.
Okay, Doran's gonna plow into me. Alright. Just give it your full run the first time. Yeah, I'm sure.
You went down.
Just barely.
One more time. And no leaning. No more leaning.
Try just standing straight up like I did.
Wait, do I get to run into you? Yes, I do.
No
now,
leaning.
and you'll get them all delivered right to your business free of charge.
Okay.
Boxes. From the Postal Service.
Yeah.
Alright,
Alright, now I get to run into
the
you.
last series is the
Don't
Alright,
do
I'm
it
gonna
too.
do like Nate did.
Don't do it too hard.
Come forward a
We're gonna
little
start by walking.
Yeah.
Perfect. No, you can see.
Walking. Oh.
I wasn't trying.
Yeah, alright, this time I want you to try.
Okay.
I think you're listening to a system that costs 5 times more. And now it's also
Look.
Oh.
I tried. I'll think about.
Alright, one more time. 'cause I want-
Everybody on YouTube knows I'm the wimpiest thing on the planet.
It's magic.
When I first walked, you didn't fall.
Or listen to FM AM. Order yours now, and you'll even receive the optional Connect kit.
Boo!
Ow, my feet. Ugh.
Oh, I got your foot.
Crushed my foot.
Okay, that's all for now.
Never before. While your iPod recharges.
Alright, come on, D.
He's recording.